Hello, my name is Jess and welcome to the Storyteller Fox. Come along and listen to read aloud books, be it for bedtime, story time, or simply to read along.
My XYZ Book by Jade Belk-Moncure, illustrated by Linda Hohag. My XYZ Book. My XYZ Book. Little X had a box. He said, "I will fill my box." Little X found an X-ray machine. "Excellent," said little X. "With my X-ray machine, I can see inside of things." He made an X-ray of his hands. He could see his bones. "Excellent," he said. He put the X-ray picture into his box. He made an X-ray of his feet. "Excellent," little X said. "I can see the bones in my feet." Then he put the X-ray picture and the X-ray machine into his box. He said, "Now I will call my friend, little Y. He may have a box." "I do," said little Y. "I will fill my box too." Little Y found a yo-yo. It was a yellow yo-yo. He tried to make the yo-yo go up and down, but the string was too short. Little Y found yarn. He tied the yarn to the yo-yo string. Now the yo-yo went down and up, down and up. Little Y turned the box upside down. He stood on the box. His yo-yo went way down and way up. He said, "I will call my friend little Z and see if she has a box." "I do," said little Z. "I will fill my box too." She found a zebra and two more zebras. Little Z found 3 zebras. 1, 2, 3. "In you go," she said. But the zebras jumped out of the box. Zip, zip. Away they ran, zigzag, down the road. Guess who ran after them? Guess where they went? Yes, that's right. They went to the zoo. More about little X. Sometimes X sounds like Z, as in these words. When we read them, it's xylophone. It actually starts with X, but it sounds like Z. So we say xylophone and Xerox machine. More words with little Y. There's yams, a yacht, yard and a yak. More words with little Z. Zoom, zipper, zinnia and zero, the number 0.
The end, and that's the end of our story time. For more bedtime stories, you can check on our YouTube playlist or listen to more storytime compilations at the Storyteller Fox. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.